We've seen people come in and just wander through her virtual forest and enjoy the meditative sounds of birds and wind from the video and just kind of delight in that experience. We're really excited to have this show at the Shircliff Gallery of Art. The show is called Uprooted, and it brings together two artists who are lens-based artists working in similar themes about forestry, but in kind of different ways and different media and different aspects of that show. And it's not often that we get to have work that is both photographic and an installation and takes up 3D space.